Have you tried a lot of medication to last longer on bed, but you end up by doing only one round? So come closer, I got something special for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips and tricks that are 100% effective, which can help you to last longer on bed without using any kind of medication. I know there is a lot of you that have bought a lot of medication which can help you to last longer on bed, but you find that this kind of medications, they are not effective. So if you want to last longer on bed, so kindly I want you to watch this video from the beginning up to the end, because the tips that I'm going to share with you on this video, they are proven and they effective more than your expectation. So before we get into details, if it was the first time you are watching our video, I would like you to support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and tap on notification bell so that you will be informed whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, today I will be sharing with you 5 tips and tricks that can help you to last longer on bed naturally without using any kind of medication. First of all, tips number 1 is communication. So taking openly to your partner about your concern, boundaries, and desire is very crucial, because this increases trust and understanding. What is happening is that when both partners understand themselves, this will help you to perform well during engaging into sexual activity with your partner. Also, this will help you to reduce a performance-related anxiety, and this can help you to focus on the moment during having a sexual intimacy with your partner and enjoy the sexual intercourse to the fullest. So that is why communication is very important if you want to last longer on bed during having sexual intercourse with your partner. Tips number 2 is to involve pelvic flow exercise. This is kind of exercise which is commonly known as Kegel, which is highly effective in helping you to last longer on bed during having sexual intercourse without using any kind of medication. So doing Kegel, it will help you to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, which are directly related to your sexual performance. If you want to do Kegel, kindly contract your pelvic floor muscles as you are holding your ring, and keep doing this for a multiple week. This will help you to improve your sexual performance as well as your sexual stamina, and this will help you to last longer on bed more than your expectation. On our third tips is focusing on breathing techniques. Taking deep and controlled breathing, it can have a significant impact on your sexual performance. So during having a sexual intimacy, if you feel like you are reaching climax, so taking a deep and slower breathing, it can help relax your muscles and reduce tension inside your body, as well as stimulation in your genital organs. This will help you to perform better during having a sexual intercourse with your partner. Also, this will help to prevent a premature ejaculation during having a sexual intercourse with your partner. So that is why breathing technique is one of the best effective methods that can help you to last longer on bed without taking any kind of medication. So our first tip that can help you to achieve longer duration during having sexual intercourse is start and stop method. This is one of the effective methods that can help you to last longer during having a sexual intercourse with your partner without taking any medication. So to do start and stop method, so if you feel like you are reaching climax, so you have to stop the sexual intercourse for a little while and tell your partner to massage your penis or your genital. This will help you to last longer on bed more than your expectation without taking any kind of medication. And this is one of the proven methods that has been used by a wide range of people, and it is effective. So you too, if you want to last longer on bed, so kindly I'm requesting you to try the start and stop method, because it's one of the effective way that can help you to achieve a longer duration during having sexual intercourse with your partner. Tips number 5 that can help you to last longer on bed is mental distraction. This kind of techniques may sound somehow, but this is one of the effective ways that can help you to last longer on bed without taking any kind of medication. So during having sexual intercourse, if you are reaching climax, so diverting your mind about something which is non-sexual, it can help you to achieve longer duration of sexual intercourse. So it could be either your hobby or something that you have done previously, or your homework. This can help you to achieve longer duration during having sexual intercourse without taking any kind of medication. So these are the 5 tips and tricks that are 100% effective in helping you to last longer on bed. But remember, practice and patience are a key to improve your sexual individual performance. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful and insightful, so we are looking for your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to this YouTube channel for more informative videos. So I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.